What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you something super fire. It solves so many problems in the blockchain technology. Before we dive in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can hang out, have fun, hopefully make a little bit of money, but also get projects on your radar super fast. Let's dive straight in. So what are we talking about? This is the Medium article to kick off the introduction. If you don't know what Medium is, the links will be down below. It's where all the biggest articles go. Now, Bosagora is announcing the launch of BizNet, a DApp specialized network. As you can see here, the development announcement was posted. So it's developing Agora Network, which is from now on known as AgoraNet. This aims to solve blockchain trilemma: scalability, safety, and decentralization. In order to meet the fast-changing market demands, we are also launching an independent network called Business Network, from now on known as BizNet. It's optimized for establishing the business ecosystem. Super friendly. You can see by here, okay, they've got all the announcements coming up on this Medium article. The links will be down below. So beyond the limits, into the future. BizNet has been designed with the global of high versatility from the beginning. With that in mind, we used Ethereum, currently the most active and commonly used network in the market. Ethereum is by far the biggest that we know about using through the NFTs in the crypto world. BizNet's conscious engine, so it reduces the wait time. The block generation cycle is the same as the Ethereum network. There is no inflation compatibility with Ethereum. So BizNet, the fact that they have adapted BizNet is incredible, okay? Please go through this article, have a good look so you can really get into exactly what this is, right? So Bosagora.io, that's the website. Links will be down below. It's a project enabler. So it focuses on building an open, decentralized blockchain that ensures transparency of the consensus algorithm and clarity of contracts. Okay, this is going to play a vital role in making a better world with blockchain technology. A project enabler, so they're allowing enablers, and I'm going to talk about a few of them, like BizNet, things like that, as we go on, okay? Quick look through the news. We've got all of these articles, which we are going to touch on now. So another article is on the miricanvas.com. Really cool. You can skip through and have a real good look. Why have they chose BizNet? So BizNet is an independent network from AgoraNet, like we just spoke about in the last part, okay? And Ethereum network compatibility means it supports smart contracts. So enhanced utility token, support DApp with smart contract, and introducing feasible DApp business. What can we do with it? You can use dApps and NFT possible. The DeFi S2E is all okay too. What are the advantages? So support for swap and bridge. So we can actually use the swap and bridge functions through BizNet. So points tokens earned from the DApp, BOA token exchangeable. BOA is the native token. Now, the AgoraNet with the BizNet, super huge. Say the BOS Agora is developing each network as a separate entity at the moment, but these networks will be integrated as one in the future upon completion of AgoraNet development. Supply of token issued by BizNet does not affect the total token issuance and circulation. That's really cool. Basically, AgoraNet is implementing the DAO inside of this, okay? It's a DAO node through BizNet, which is basically the token economy DApp, the decentralized application, which is going to have NFTs in it, DeFi in it, S2E in it, things like that. Looking at another article now on Yahoo, so finance.yahoo.com/ all of this crazy letters. The links will be down below, okay? This says here, South Korea, June 29 going through this. And the president announced on June 29th that it launched its unique BizNet for building and expanding the business ecosystem. The press release features multimedia. View the full release here. I'm going to take you through. So we've already talked about why it provided BizNet. The announcement of BizNet launch was streamed live on YouTube. Now, it was ensuring the free communication with its users. Couldn't hide anything. Live, ready to go. Okay. Bosagora, the blockchain network of that, the first initial coin offering, the ICO, is projected South Korea, aims to realize decentralized autonomous organization by executing commerce budget accumulated through active participation in the project by node operators via parliamentary activities and generation of blocks. Basically solving all the issues that we need for the chain. And the consensus engine of BizNet is designed to provide a variety of conveniences. Super important that we know that BizNet is here to make this easier for us. Now, jumping over to Medium again, we are looking at the article detailed in the links down below, which is launching 1,000 limited FM US NFT on Crowdy. So this is the first one, okay? You can see the NFTs down here. After announcing its launch of BizNet with the aim to revitalize the token economy, it's presenting in its first case. We are offering a sell limited amount of 1,000 on crowdfunding called Crowdy. You can please do your own research and have a look what that is. Exclusively, we're celebrating the remarkable achievements of US funds run by our strategic partner, FM Technology. If you're in the crypto space, you know what FM Technology is. Now, the press release is here if you just want to click on that. The highest cumulative returns of US funds exceeding 60% compared to NASDAQ. Just take a quick look at these. Look how cool, okay? The commemorative NFT, super, super, super cool. And you get your ID and number underneath and the date you got. Now, as it says here, okay, we're providing the engines profitability and stability. They have every certification of the hedge fund that you need. They have all the cumulative benchmark comparisons, and it's continued on here to show you. 100% refundable NFT with the entertainment value and benefits. Massive, massive, massive. Well, 1 month subscription coupon for FM School worth 48,000 KRW, which is the native token for that country, and the rewards. And look at here. So this is your little voucher that you will get. Please get more into this. Have a look. Do your own research. There's super, super loads of rewards. Airdrops here based on the FM Da Vinci US fund growth rate. Loads of stuff that you need to look at. Please dive into all these articles, do your own research. I'm just showing you where they are so you can get in and have a look yourself. And my favorite bit, the giveaway, okay? We have 15,755 entries, 22 days left to get entered. Please, please make sure you enter. What you will get is on the 6th of July, right? Learn to Earn event will let you have a chance to earn 250 BOA through learning about BOA and BizNet. So that's when it started. Now, this is going to be incredible. Okay, this is going to be super, super incredible. There's going to be max 2 winners. Okay, it's going to be 250 BOA a day, a total of 11,000, which is just ridiculous. All right, 2 winners every single day. The announcement's going to be in their Twitter. This is their official Twitter right here. Okay, and you will get the links down below. Multiple choice questions going to stop at 16:30. 2 winners will be announced at 1700. Get into the Telegram group for a reward within 24 hours, or it will be classed as invalid and passed to someone else. New multiple choice questions will be inserted at 1800 that day. Winners are not allowed to join the event twice. Please, please get involved. The best way to earn crypto in this world is through giveaways like this. Now, a quick look at their Twitter. 19.2 thousand followers. It is at BOSAGORA1. Please only use the official. There is some fake ones out there. They have their link tree, will get you all their socials. We have their telegrams in English, Spanish, Russian, Turkish, Korean, Chinese. So they can counter for many, many people. Like it says here, only use the official one, okay? This is a scam. Do not use any links that are not official. Please, please get on there. Let them know you're from this channel. Give them a massive follow. Give them a shout out. Super excited. Say, George sent you. I'm super excited for this. Let's get it. Guys, if you liked that, hit the like button. If you loved that, hit the subscribe button. Knock that little notification bell. So what that does is when you're getting on with your day, it'll notify you on your device saying, guess what? We have a new video for you. Please, please be safe when you're in the crypto world. Have a blessed day, and I will see you on the next video.